What is the difference between a motion to set aside a conviction and an expungement of a conviction? I'm attorney Kristen Curry. I've been practicing criminal defense here in Arizona for over 27 years now. Recently, on January 1st of 2023, Arizona finally implemented a statute allowing a person to petition to seal from public view their criminal record. That's often referred to as expungement of a person's record, but it's pretty much the same thing. If a person petitions the court to do that, there are certain criteria. They can't do it right away if they just got off probation or if they just got out of prison. There is a time period that they have to wait from after their sentence is completed. If it's a class 2 or 3 felony, they have to do it 10 years after they've gotten out of prison or after they completed probation. If it's a 4, 5, or 6 class felony, they have to wait at least 5 years. If it's a class 1 misdemeanor, they have to wait at least 3 years. And they have to file in each and every case that they want that record to be expunged. Expunging the record doesn't get a person's rights back. That's totally separate. It doesn't get rid of the conviction. It just seals it from public view. In order to get a person's rights back, a person has to file a motion to set aside the conviction and reinstate the person's rights, such as gun rights. That's different than expungement, okay? So that's a separate petition, and oftentimes a person should be doing both, okay? You don't have to wait a certain period to do a motion to set aside the conviction, but lots of times a judge will not grant it unless there's been a time period that's passed, because a person has completely changed their life, they're a totally different person now. There's lots of reasons that a judge would grant that. Certain types of convictions cannot be set aside. Serious convictions such as sex offenses, dangerous offenses, those kinds of things cannot be set aside. And there's also certain expungements that are not allowed for certain types of convictions. So it's very important, if you're interested in doing something like that, to speak to a good, competent defense attorney who can guide you as to whether you're eligible for any of these types of things. If you have any questions about expungements or set-asides, give us a call at Curry, Pearson, or Wooten. You can also email us at help@azlaw.com, or you can private message us through Facebook.